Okay, for this experiment, we're gonna need a ceramic plate or a glass plate and dry erase markers. Don't push down too hard. So, okay. And then we'll pour water really slowly onto the plate. And with any luck, our artwork will float. Starting to. Oh, there's your heart. And if you want, you could take a straw and blow your heart around, or the high is sticking though. Here, I'll show you a trick like this.